name is Sourabh and I am a BTech electrical engineer in 2017 pass out. I have worked as an electrical engineer for 1 year, but you can say I didn't like that particular one. One of my friends recommended me regarding the 4 Achievers. In 4 Achievers, you're gonna be learn here multiple kind of skills like IT skills, non-IT skills, US technical staff skills. I have learned and have joined here for the skills, and today I have been placed in a company with a package of 6.6 LPA, and the designation which I have got is of Resource Development Manager. I would like to thanks to all the team of 4 Achievers for helping us to get on our career on a good basis. Thank you.